Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So next what we'll be experiencing this week on our GBPJPY. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel and you've not done that, make sure you do to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So let's see our full trend on GBPJPY. We can clearly see that full trend full if you have to go to your daily time frame, you see that we are clearly on an uptrend move. For this movement, we are having a series of higher lows. So clearly we are on an uptrend move. Let's go down to the forward time. Since we want to predict what markets will be doing this week, we have to go to the forward time frame. Here we can light some key levels around here. You can see that there's a major level here on our forward time. Whenever market comes to the tap this level, we tend to have the rejection. We have the rejection here. So at the rejection, we had the rejection. So there were multiple rejection, and now we are at this level. So expect the rejection. Not only are we on this level, a reversal pattern on head and shoulder has played out. Reverse head and shoulder pattern is literally played out here. So this one, this is our first neck. This is our first shoulder, sorry. Then this is our head. Then this is also our neck. So that is indicating that markets will now continue to push up to those. So be expecting a bullish move this week on GBPJPY. So subscribe to the channel and also follow the Telegram channel with the link in the comment section.